Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope everyone is doing great. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a crinoline directly on the scallop of your lace. So let's get started. So I've already finished making those dresses before I remember that I needed to share this tip on YouTube. But nevertheless, I'll still go ahead and show you how to achieve this. So this is the hem part of the dress, and there's a scallop, as you can see. And if you touch the scallop, you notice that it bounces. Can you see? It's not flat, okay? And this is so because of the help of the crinoline, okay? Can you see? You can see the crinoline inside. Can you see? Can you see? So if you want to do this, the first thing you're going to do is to get your crinoline. And the crinoline I use here is a soft crinoline. I didn't use the hard one because if I use the hard one, you will notice that when the person or my client is walking, it will keep flipping. It will keep turning to the right side, which I usually don't like. Okay, it's not as if I don't use the hard crinoline. I use it when making a dress that will not flow, or I'll use it for dress ball gown, baby children short ball gown. But if I want a long, if I'm making a longer dresses, mostly I use the soft one, okay, so that if the person is walking, it won't keep flipping or turning to the right side and you'll be seeing the crinoline. I don't like it. But you can work with anyone that you choose to, depending on what you want to achieve, okay? So this is the starting point. What I did is to cover the side of the crinoline with a bias so that it won't poke the skin. So this is the side you need to cover up with a bias. These are my bias. And that's the side I covered with a bias. Then I placed it very close to the edge of the scallop. Can you see? Very close, making sure that the crinoline didn't come out to the right side. That's why you won't be seeing it when you turn to the right side. Can you see? So you have to place your crinoline close to the mouth of the scallop. You can see where my is. Can you see? Can you see? Then you have to stitch round and end at this point. Then for the upper part, you have to secure the upper part so that it won't keep coming out or opening. Okay, you can use hemming gum to secure the upper part if you don't stitch, but I would advise that you stitch it, okay, so that it won't, by the time the hemming gum is weak, it won't open up again. So you have to start again from this top part, from the starting point. That is where you have your bias. Then you sew again round and end at this point to secure the upper part properly, okay? So I'm going to show you with a piece of fabric that I have left. For those that will want to see me do it, I'll quickly do that so I can see how to achieve it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cover the sides of your crinoline, okay, with a bias. So this is what you're going to do. You open your bias this way, this side. Can you see? Then pushing your crinoline there. Can you see? Then you now flip to cover it up. Can you see? Use this to cover it up. Then you now sew. So when you're done doing this, the next thing you're going to do is to bring your scallop, that is the hem of your dress. Remember that we have different ways of fixing crinoline. If you don't want to fix on the scallop, you want to use it to turn your hem, you can as well do that. I think I have a video on how to use it to turn the hem of your dress. But this very one, you are placing it on your scallop. You're not turning your hem of your dress with the crinoline. Okay, so that's the thing I want to show you now. Okay, so we are going to assume that this is the hem of the dress. Remember, I'm not making this, I'm just showing this for a tutorial purpose. Okay, and the dress I just finished making is a 3 pieces dress. So if you want to start fixing the crinoline on your scallop, you're going to locate where you have your zipper allowance. Okay, at that point at the hem, you're going to place your crinoline this way, very close to your scallop edge. Can you see? I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So you're going to place it very close to the scallop mouth. Can you see? This is where I place it. Then you're going to sew. This is quite easy to do. As you're sewing, make sure that your crinoline is very close to the mouth of your scallop. Okay, make sure it doesn't come out so that you won't be seeing it at the right side of your fabric. Okay, can you see where it is? So by the time I turn, you will not see the crinoline at all, but you will notice that your flare is more defined. Can you see? So by the time you're done fixing the crinoline, you're going to secure the upper part again. Then you're going to sew round and stop at this your starting point. That is where you have your bias. Now remember that by the time you go round, you have another tip that is looking this way. You have to cover it up again. Then now place it on top of this very one you started with. Then close it. So what this crinoline does to the hem part or your scallop is to make it look more defined. If it's a 6 pieces or a flare that you've cut the hem part to be, it will make it look more defined, make it look more beautiful, and it will stand out. If it's flare, you see the edges, the hem part, it will stand out well, look more defined. So that's the help of crinoline. If you have learned something from this video, please go ahead and give me thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one.